Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video will explain about the stoichiometry with the determination of pH value. A 25 ml sample of 0.1 molar hydrochloric acid is titrated with 0.2 molar of sodium hydroxide. After adding 15 ml of 0.2 molar sodium hydroxide, the pH is recorded as pH 5.0. Critically analyze whether this pH value is consistent with the amount of base added. Alright, to answer this question, the first thing that you need to do is you need to write a balanced equation. So the equation is between the hydrochloric acid with your sodium hydroxide. So acid and base will produce the salt NaCl plus water. So if we can see here, it is already a balanced equation. So next thing that you need to do is you need to calculate what is the molarity of the HCl. So the molarity is equivalent to mole over liter. So given in the question, the molarity of the HCl is equivalent to 0.1 molar. So we can find what is the value of the mole because we were given 25 milliliter of this hydrochloric acid. So 25 milliliter, so you want to convert it into liter, you divide it with 1000. So the number of mole for your HCl is equivalent to 0.025 times 0.1, which is your molarity. Therefore, you will get 2.5 times 10 to the power of negative 3 mole of HCl. Alright, next up we are going to do the same thing. We are going to use the molarity of the sodium hydroxide given in the question and also the volume that is given in the question. So molarity, again, molarity is equivalent to mole over liter. Therefore, the molarity given in the question is 0.2, and you want to find what is the number of mole, and the volume is 15 milliliter, so you need to divide this with 1000. So we got the number of mole for your NaOH is equivalent to 0.2, which is the molarity, times 0.015 here. So you will get the number of mole for NaOH is equivalent to 3 times 10 to the power of negative 3 mole of NaOH. Right. So let's compare with the calculation that we have done before. So the number of mole for HCl. So the number of mole is 2.5 times 10 to the power of negative 3. And then you have calculated the number of mole of NaOH is equivalent to 3 times 10 to the power of negative 3 mole of NaOH. So from the equation, we know that HCl plus NaOH should produce NaCl plus H2O. Therefore, what we are saying here is that 1 mole of HCl need 1 mole of NaOH, right? So if you compare between these two, so apparently this NaOH is more than the amount of HCl available. Therefore, we can say that we have excessive amount of sodium hydroxide. So excess NaOH, and your NaOH is base. So we can say that the pH should be any value above 7. So the recorded value is 5.0. Therefore, we say in this question that the value of 5.0, pH 5.0 is actually inconsistent with the amount of base added because the pH should be more than 7. So this is the answer for this question. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning till the end. So I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.